Hello everyone, welcome to Tableau training. We are into module 1. The topic is data types. So Tableau supports this many data types, which is string, number, boolean, date, and time. So string is like nothing but sequence of characters which can be used for representing the text, right? That's pretty much string. It will support, Tableau will support number. Number can be normal number or floating point number. Both integer and floating point numbers will be supported in Tableau. And boolean is like true or false. True or false expressions can be supported by Tableau. And date and time. So sometimes it can be only date, without date, and time also. So geographically this also is possible to Tableau. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next one.